Hello, let's look at this question 36 for WAEC Chemistry 2018. The change in oxidation state of iron in the reaction represented by the equation below is, the equation is 2FeCl3 plus H2S to give 2FeCl2 plus 2HCl plus S. Now the options are A plus 2 to plus 3, B plus 2 to plus 2, plus 3 to plus 2, C 0 to plus 2, D plus 3 to 0. So which is the change in oxidation state of iron in the reaction represented by the equation below? So how do we go about solving this? Now we know that to solve for oxidation state, say for FeCl3, the oxidation state should always be equal to 0 for a neutral substance or for a compound that is not charged. For a compound that is not charged, the oxidation state is equal to the general oxidation, the addition of sum of the oxidation is equal to 0. So, and we don't know that for Fe, but we know that the oxidation, this number for Cl is -1, and since there are 3 Cl, we have times 3, so equal to 0. So if you have the summation of the oxidation number of the iron plus that of the chlorine will give you 0, but you don't know that of the iron, so you write Fe, then you have -3 times -1 times 3 to give us -3 equal to 0. So the oxidation number of Fe here is 3, because 3 going over will become plus, and that's why this is iron trichloride, because it is 3. Now let's check the oxidation number of iron here. So this is plus 3 here. You can put plus or you can just write 3. Then for this one we also have FeCl2 equal to 0. The summation is 0. So we now have the oxidation number of iron plus that of Cl, chlorine. The oxidation number of chlorine is -1, or because it is 2, we multiply by 2 equal to 0. So we now have that the oxidation number of iron -1 times 2 will give us -2 equal to 0. So making the oxidation number of iron, the subject, is equal to this going over to this side will become +2. So you can see that the oxidation number of iron here is +3, but here it is +2. So this change is actually from +3 to +2, and the option that has that is B, from +3 to +2. So that is how you calculate the oxidation number state of elements. Whenever they are in form of compound, the summation of the oxidation numbers is always equal to 0. So you use the one that you already know to find the one that is changing. So that is how we go about this. Thank you.